Hello there. Today we are glad to show you the project we've been working on, which is called Business Use, that will help you track, visualize, and analyze your business flows in your applications. For that, what we did is, as an example, we use Medusajs, which is a JavaScript e-commerce framework, to create an example e-commerce. Now, what I will do is just test it out and perform a checkout, and we'll show you how it looks. So here's the application that I'm running locally right now. And what I will do is I'm gonna initialize the business use CLI. So to do that, I'm just gonna run this command. We have this package published in PyPy. So you will see that I already have it initialized. The initialization is in this local folder, which you can see here, and you will see the configuration. This API key will be used to visualize your business use flows in the UI. To do that, the only thing that you need to do is to run the server that will actually listen for these events and process them. I will run it now. So right now it's running, and you will be able to see it here. Right now there are no nodes found in the system. Now, to be able to see the nodes, we are gonna do a quick checkout process. So let me select an M of this sweatshirt. Let's go to the cart. I actually want 3 of them, and you can already see a node here. You can see that here we have an assert node that cart validated from the checkout flow. Well, let me go to through the checkout. Amazing. So I place the order. Right now I set up the repo so that actually there are different flows. There's the cart validated flow and there's the checkout flow. Here in particular, you can see that we had an initial assert where the tags should be at least 0. Then we have a payment amount validation, which actually checks for an heuristic between the order total and the payment total. We have the order confirmed. We also have a customer orders node that is happening. And then we have an inventory reserve. So all of this is running automatically. You can actually see the run here with all the nodes. You can see validator passed, and so on. And we also have another little flow for VIP status check, which actually passed too. Now, what's powerful about this is that you can, first of all, monitor and visualize how your business logic is holds true as you ship new features or do changes to your code. And also you may be able to run it locally. This is something that you will be able to see it in the repository here. Where there's documentation on how to use it. We have SDKs for Python and JavaScript, and in fact for this example, let me show you how it looks in the code. The only thing that you would need to do is to add these ensure blocks in your code, and that will help our system track how your business logic flows from one point to the other. And in this case, it's something pretty simple because it's only an API call and we have different ensures. Like for example, this one payment amount validation, we're passing some data. It has a dependency on the tax calculated node, which actually is defined here. And then we do this validator. And whenever this fails, even though the whole API might not fail because maybe this should not make this API call fail, but from a business logic perspective, it will. And the cool thing is that these nodes may be in different services, different languages. You might have an API in Node, and you might have a background worker running with Celery in Python, and you just need this run ID to be dynamically passed through kind of your distributed system, which in most of the cases, it could be a workflow ID or something like that. And this system business use will ensure that your business logic, as you define it, hold with the dependencies, the validator, and the data you pass. And that's pretty much it.